Welcome to Skilled MBA Case Study Series in Accounting. United States businesses must navigate the complex ESG landscape, balancing environmental, social, and governance factors. Mastering this involves understanding diverse frameworks and aligning them with corporate strategies. Effective ESG integration enhances transparency, meets stakeholder expectations, and prepares for future regulatory demands. Companies must prioritize ESG to remain competitive and compliant in a rapidly evolving market. Environmental, social, and governance practices have become essential for American corporations. Despite fragmented United States standards and competing frameworks, companies must navigate these complexities. Rising stakeholder expectations and potential future regulations will likely demand increased disclosure, making strategic ESG implementation crucial for compliance and leadership. The current reporting landscape features SASB, focusing on industry-specific financial materiality, widely used for investor communications. TCFD emphasizes climate-related financial risks, endorsed by major financial institutions. GRI offers a comprehensive sustainability framework addressing broader stakeholder concerns. The Securities and Exchange Commission is evolving its disclosure requirements, increasingly focusing on climate risks, reflecting a shifting regulatory landscape. Selecting metrics that align with business strategy is crucial. Balance investor communications with broader stakeholder engagement. Craft messages that resonate with environmental, social, and governance advocates while addressing critics. This approach ensures meaningful progress and strategic alignment in leadership decisions. Identify environmental, social, and governance factors that genuinely impact your business financially. Focus on areas where meaningful progress is possible. Develop flexible reporting systems to adapt to evolving Securities and Exchange Commission requirements, anticipating stricter disclosures. Craft strategic narratives, linking environmental, social, and governance initiatives to business strategy, using data-driven results to address skeptics effectively. Aligning environmental, social, and governance initiatives with financial strategy is crucial. Indian corporate leaders emphasize that disconnected efforts breed skepticism. Consistency in environmental, social, and governance programs is key, linking sustainability goals with economic value creation. This integration not only enhances credibility, but also ensures that environmental, social, and governance efforts are perceived as genuine and impactful, fostering trust among stakeholders. 76% of institutional investors prioritize environmental, social, and governance metrics in Indian markets, highlighting their critical role in investment decisions. United States companies face a 42% increase in reporting requirements since 2020, posing compliance challenges. Notably, companies with robust environmental, social, and governance profiles achieve a 3.2 times performance multiple, outperforming peers in long-term shareholder returns across United States markets. Conduct a materiality assessment to pinpoint impactful environmental, social, and governance factors. Build robust data infrastructure for reliable metrics, ensuring auditability. Foster cross-functional ownership involving finance alongside sustainability teams. Craft strategic communication, tailoring messages for diverse stakeholders. Non-compliance with environmental, social, and governance standards can lead to significant financial penalties, with Securities and Exchange Commission enforcement actions doubling since 2019. Poor environmental, social, and governance practices hinder talent attraction, as 65% of Indian professionals consider environmental, social, and governance performance crucial. Additionally, environmental, social, and governance laggards face higher capital costs, and reputational damage from greenwashing can take years to recover from. Dashboards offer interactive, real-time environmental, social, and governance metrics, allowing stakeholders to explore relevant data. Visual stories through videos and infographics Make complex environmental, social, and governance data accessible. Third-party verification provides independent validation, crucial for skeptical American investors. Integrated reporting combines financial and environmental, social, and governance disclosures, offering a holistic performance perspective. Leadership teams must consider adopting global environmental, social, and governance frameworks proactively to gain competitive advantages. Effective collaboration between chief financial officers and sustainability teams is crucial, potentially requiring structural changes. Understanding the cost of environmental, social, and governance missteps in your industry is vital for prioritizing initiatives effectively. In manufacturing, prioritize supply chain transparency and emissions reduction. Technology sectors must tackle data privacy and algorithmic bias, ensuring diversity and ethical artificial intelligence. Financial services should focus on climate risk in lending and transparent board diversity. Healthcare needs equitable access, pricing transparency, and regulated medical waste management. The United States ESG landscape is evolving with trends like increased regulatory scrutiny and investor demand for transparency. Companies must focus on integrating ESG into core strategies, emphasizing climate action, diversity, and ethical governance. Emerging technologies and data analytics play a crucial role in tracking ESG metrics, ensuring compliance, and enhancing stakeholder engagement. Integrating environmental, social, and governance into core business operations is essential. Proactively exceed regulatory standards to stay ahead. Engage in active dialogue with stakeholders to build trust and enhance initiatives. Leading in environmental, social, and governance offers competitive advantages, including increased market share and talent acquisition. Early adoption is key to securing these benefits. Thank you, and at Skilled MBA, we specialize in crafting custom environmental, social, and governance strategies, implementing reporting frameworks, and providing leadership training. Our services enhance stakeholder communication, ensuring environmental, social, and governance is integrated into your core operations. This approach not only safeguards your reputation, but also positions your organization for future returns and risk management.